Let us take an example related to the concept of odd even prime numbers, and such type of questions are very common in various Olympiads. So you need to have the concept clear. The question says fill in the blanks, and there are three statements over here with one blank each. The first is P is the only even prime number. So P is the only even prime number. Even if you do not remember, please look into the option. Do not leave the questions. So P is the only even prime number. So prime number means the number which is divisible by 1 and by itself. So as already discussed that 2 is the only even prime number. This is even number, and as because this is divisible by only 1 and by 2, therefore this is a prime number. All other prime numbers are odd numbers. So 2 is the answer. So as you have found that option B contains 3 for P, so you can eliminate this particular option as because 3 is not the answer. Next, dash or Q is the smallest odd prime number. Smallest odd prime number. So as we have already discussed, odd prime number 3 is the smallest odd prime number. This is odd and this is also prime. Please remember that 1 is not neither a prime and neither a composite number, because many people students may mistake 1 for a prime number. 1 is neither a prime nor a composite, and 3 is the smallest odd prime number. So for option Q, we have got 3, 3, 3. So by looking into option A, C and D, we cannot eliminate any of these because all contains 3 for the blank Q. Now coming to third blank, R is neither a prime nor a composite number. So as already discussed over here, that 1 is neither a prime nor a composite number. So for R, this 1 should be the answer. So we can eliminate option A also. We can eliminate option C also. So we are remained with option D only. So D is the correct option. So by solving just 3 questions, we can arrive at the right answer. Anyway, we will try out the fourth option also. A composite number has at least dash number of factors. So you please concentrate on this line, at least S number of factors. So suppose you take number, so you can see that if you take a prime number, suppose 5, it has got how many factors? 1 and 5, then 1 and the number itself, and this is true for any number. So minimum number of factors, minimum number of factors of any number is 2. 1 is, first is 1 and the second is itself, irrespective of being a prime or composite. If it has got 1 and itself, then it's a prime number. But if it has to be composite, then it has to be at least, if it has to be composite, it has to be, then it is divisible by 1 or by itself, that it has got at least 1 and it has got 1 and itself at its factors and one more, at least one more. So the total number of factors for a composite number, at least it should have 3 number of factors, and there is only one such number, which is the number 4. It has got 1 as the factor, 4 as the factor and 2 as the factor. You cannot find any other factor of 4. It is divisible by 1, it is divisible by 4, it is divisible by 2. So 1, 2 and 4 are factors of 4. So a composite number has at least 3 number of factors, 1 itself and one more. So we can easily say that option D is the right answer. So this type of questions may seem very confusing to some students, but if you have the concept clear, you can answer these questions very easily and get full marks for these questions. The more you practice, the better you become. So keep practicing. Good luck, students. Thank you.